This is the tilt table. It is a piece of equipment used to assist with weight bearing in lower extremities. It is an appropriate piece of equipment for most of our clients who are in need of controlled weight bearing progression. It is controlled via a 4-pedal remote located at ground level. Facing the remote, the pedals are as follows: elevation, depression, incline, and decline. On each side, at the head of the table, you will notice protractors. This allows the operator to control the angle while wanting to achieve weight-bearing status. The table starts at 0 degrees and maxes out at 90 degrees of standing posture. You must first make sure the table wheels are unlocked by releasing the plastic tabs located above the wheels. Place the table in a position that will allow for future use of the table and not inhibit wheelchair lanes in the clinic. Prior to transferring a client, pull up on knobs on the foot plate, perform a half turn in the up position, place metal pegs on the rod into the square edge openings below. Once proper position is achieved, press plastic tabs down to engage wheel locks. Position client's wheelchair parallel to table and transfer client. Once the client is transferred and in a supine position, raise up the footplate by lifting the knob and doing a half turn. Place pegs into the rounded edges below when the desired position is achieved. Shift the client down the table using a 2-person transfer technique to allow for maximum contact between the client's shoes and the plate. Make sure their trunk and lower extremities are aligned as best as possible. The next step is to secure the client to the table. A set of 3 straps will be used. It is best to use 2 people when securing each strap. Feed the non-buckle side of the straps behind the metal rod on one side of the table, then over the client and behind the metal rod on the other side of the table. Pull down on each strap, applying pressure over the area covered with the strap, bringing the black nylon material up and over the client while maintaining tension and securing the strap side into the buckle. You will repeat this 3 times total. Starting at the lower extremity, place the strap 3 to 4 fingers above the patella. Then, follow steps discussed earlier. This is to prevent knee flexion while standing and to allow for maximum weight bearing. The knee strap will be the tightest of all 3 straps. The next strap will use the same instructions. However, the middle strap should be placed over the iliac crest. Remember to use caution and not apply excessive pressure to the strap as to not inhibit breathing. The last strap will use the same instructions as the second strap. However, it will be placed over the nipple line for males and below the breast line for females. Once all 3 straps are secured, you can now begin tilting to the desired angle. To lower, press the last pedal to allow for a return to the 0 degree position.